This is where I planted my walking onions last year. I planted a handful and they've come up on their own. People always ask me, what do they taste like? And I think this time of year when they're young like this is when they taste the best. Just looking at the walking onions. Then you take these and you plant those. You know, you take one of these off, you can pull it off and plant it. Okay, here are some walking onions that I pulled out of the ground. They were here all season and it's October right now. This is about as big as they get as far as the onion, and you can eat this whole thing. The whole thing's edible. I've already been eating the tops off, so that's why they're cropped. And these are the little seedlings that grow on top of the plant, and these are the ones, I guess you can eat them if you want, but I mainly use them as onion sets, and I plant these.